So lastly, let's talk about like a serial like communication. Um, like I showed before, angle and motion. Yeah, you have to make your robot's angle and motion by yourself. Yeah, in Arduino IDE. But I know that it is really complicated, and you have to type all of numbers of angle and like duration and frame, so it can be really kind of, it is not really difficult, but it's kind of hard to type out all of things. So I made so to make your robot more kind of smarter, or I don't know. So I used I made function of serial communication. So to just as you can see on this program, you can just type out on serial, just start with this symbol. It means I'll communicate with your robot's flag, ID 1 to ID 10, and if I start with this symbol, type out, and you can find that I'll use your robot's arm, ID 11 to ID 20. So it can it is just a get data from serial, and just type angle, and it moves that part. So if you use processing, or I don't know other program that use serial ROS kind of that, so you can communicate this robot with serial data. So watching in this program, another thing is same, but on serial reading on here, it start program on loop, if serial available, and if you find and then you have to put semicolon on here, like this, and if you enter this, and robot moves exactly that angle. So if I upload this program to my robot, and if I use, in this case I just use a serial monitor of this Arduino IDE, but as I mentioned before, you can use other software that uses serial, and that software can move this robot. So you can, if you are hard to type all that numbers, you can use another software to make this robot move. So for example, if I want to make arms move, I can write like this, and for example 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and if I write semicolon and enter, and robot will move to that degree. And if I want to write angle on lag, I can just write this, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and semicolon and enter, it moves that direction. So you can use this serial communication system to move your robot, and it's done.